These workers were trying to lift a huge tailgate when something unexpected happened. Take a look. While trying to lift a tailgate with the help of an excavator, a mistake from the excavator left the entire load coming down on a worker. This video highlights the importance of following safe unloading and offloading techniques, and the importance of proper staff training before handling large machines. This worker opened the side panel of a truck to offload, and what happened next was the worker had just unlatched the side panel of a truck loaded with heavy materials when the unevenly stacked load gave way, pushing him to the ground. This video shows why loads must be balanced, secured, and offloaded with caution. This man was operating a pressing machine when he reached in and this happened. Watch closely. While the pressing machine was still running, the worker leaned in to fix a misaligned part, and the press came down on him. This video shows why machines should be powered off before adjustments and equipped with fail-safes. This crane failure caused significant property damage. This crane was moving a heavy load from a truck to a rooftop when its cable snapped. The load fell, crushing a parked car below. This emphasizes why the area beneath a suspended load must always be completely cleared of personnel and equipment. This worker leaned too far on a guardrail and fell. These workers were sorting a load on a high truck when one man leaned over the edge of the guardrail. He lost his balance and fell from a height. This highlights why guardrails are fall prevention, not support, and you must never lean over them. These workers experienced a powerful electrical fault. These workers approached a mini electrical station to repair a fault when a sudden arc flash explosion occurred. The worker was shielded from serious injury because he was wearing his full arc flash protective gear. This shows why proper personal protective equipment is essential for electrical work. This forklift was lifting a massive water tank when the situation got out of control. Watch how it happened. As the forklift raised the heavy tank, the load shifted and threw it off balance. The lift toppled, crashing into a nearby building. This video highlights the importance of checking load limits and stabilizing equipment before lifting oversized materials. This man made a bad mistake while towing a boat with a forklift. This man was using a forklift to tow a boat into a parking lot. Unaware that the boat wasn't secured, he stopped the forklift, causing the boat to roll forward and crash into another boat. A passerby eventually stopped it. This shows why operators must always secure loads before moving or stopping vehicles. This worker was being lifted on a hoist platform when everything went wrong in seconds. The worker was elevated on a personnel hoist platform, likely performing a task near a building, when the supporting cable snapped. He fell and crashed into the building. This video highlights the need for regular hoist inspections and safety guards in construction sites. These two workers were talking in an iron mill when a sudden accident caught them off guard. Watch how it happened. While standing beneath a platform, a heavy iron piece slipped and fell. One worker dodged it, but the other was struck and knocked down. Co-workers rushed to help. This video highlights the importance of securing overhead materials and avoiding suspended loads at all times. This worker was on the job when a truck lift carrying heavy items suddenly swung his way. Watch how it happened. While working nearby, a loaded lift turned unexpectedly and struck him, pinning him to the ground. Co-workers quickly rushed to help. This incident highlights the importance of keeping a safe distance from moving machinery and staying alert during lift operations. This mechanic was checking a tire in his workshop when the unthinkable happened right before his eyes. The mechanic had been inspecting several tires for leaks when he leaned in close to one and it burst in his face. This video shows why tires should never be checked up close, especially while inflating, and why safety cages are a must.